Video 2 on Friday, November 22nd, almost Thanksgiving. 22nd of November, 2024, Video 2.
That'll do the exchange for you, back and forth, whether it's from money to Bitcoin or Bitcoin.
John Stockton, you next?
I don't know. I don't know.
Alright.
I think I
Great.
better go get him.
This guy's a lag.
Yeah, this is, I'm putting everything on it.
This is Greek yogurt, not sour cream.
Okay.
But I kind of
What?
just the Greek yogurt.
Oh yeah.
Better tank.
I'll have everything. See?
Ooh, I need spoons for all this.
Now you're back down to $100 sugar down to $2.
Yeah.
Ah, Rip ate it all.
Stock in that manufacturer.
So I didn't do the,
I try to understand multi-generation stock risers.
oh, wow.
Treat, Griff. Go crazy.
Yeah.
Next, primarily this age is profit sharing. A company that has profit sharing. You understand about profit sharing?
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Number one, you're the
cheese.
CEO. Boom. Two vice presidents. Boom. And the guys at the bottom get a 20%, and the guy at the top. So what happens then
Yeah, it's a weird one.
yeah.
Because it's kind of just like,
I don't know what that's about.
Oh, wow. Yeah, Aaron.
It is?
Yeah.
is it good?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Let's try these.
There's only two bulk ones.
There's more bowls up there.
No.
And I think,
Oh, yeah. There's two paper bowls.
hey, Aaron! Where'd Aaron go? Bathroom, I think. He's making room. Probably.
I sold 175 shares.
Oh, you did?
Because look at what I bought it at. Oh, nice. And then I sold it at, no, I sold it, look, it just went down. I
Put
sold
some
it at
queso on there?
717.
No, but I know right now.
Total gain.
So if you go,
Good.
833, that's how much you
Hey, that
have
veal
there.
was dynamite, John.
Huh?
That veal was dynamite.
You think it was dynamite? You should have had it last night, like we did.
Yeah.
Really?
883 divided
Oh,
by 6,
it's
that's
better.
$5.
Really?
Oh,
Why?
just well because it's set, you know,
Oh, it kind of marinated
yeah,
overnight.
for
Yeah.
for 2 days.
Well, that's my,
It's good. Yanni, you're almost
saying.
late.
well, this is
Oh, do you
cash
sell
in
it
hand,
all?
1263. So do 1263, it goes down to 5. So 75, that'd be like
Yes.
75 more shares. than what I did.
How are you doing?
Oh, I forgot there's hot sauce. You want hot sauce?
I sold 175 shares. So
Oh, so you did sell them all.
I'm down at World Prince having an indoor barbecue because it started to rain. Can I call you back a little bit?
yeah, I mean it's more game, but I guess I got nervous about
But
it.
I've turned 500 into 1,000.
Yes.
US?
500. I can do 1,000 shares. If it goes back down, I buy it.
Without putting more
Yeah.
money in.
Yeah.
Oh, my.
By playing it, opening.
I turned nothing into a baby that way one time.
So was this the last of the paper bowls?
Yes.
use my coffee cup if I need to.
Oh my.
Jerry, what do you think? It's good? You alright?
You know how this is so good for you, Jerry? Right now, I'm telling you.
It's good, Aaron. Nice and good, Aaron.
Alright, Jerry, thank you.
You're welcome,
What
buddy.
I want to know, would Ivan eat this? He could eat. That kid is tasteless.
The kid was adopted. Or found on the curb. I don't know, wherever Karma got him.
Yeah, I remember. Remember when we went out to dinner last Thanksgiving and we had a hamburger?
He didn't even finish it.
Huh?
He didn't even finish it. Thing is like, he only gets hungry at weird times. He's just not a foodie.
He never has been. Ever.
He doesn't like to eat.
Hey, Griffin.
He likes hamburgers maybe, and maybe tacos, but like, he doesn't like to eat.
I know. I
One of those
know that.
people.
And he seriously needs that.
Do you put chips in it?
Yeah.
It's just that phase. I think it's gonna change.
It's not tortilla soup.
John kind of needs.
Yeah.
Would eat anything.
We're not exactly here for accurate.
Oh,
Oh no, she would eat nothing. Nothing.
That's problem.
her mother,
Look at all the stuff.
her mother's a clinical dietitian, and all she would eat for like 6 years. Milk and a bread box, like a roll. That was it.
Yeah, it's amazing how humans can survive,
I'm
right?
glad I wasn't a picky
We go back there and John would tempt her with everything. She didn't get the first place.
My mom said
There,
I
he
used
likes
to
to
be
cook.
picky eater.
Those
She
fish
read in a book like please
Go
go
get
get
Ivan a
mine.
nice thing to eat it.
If
Go
like
get
her
him.
friends asked her
Nope.
if I was a picky eater, so she did.
There's chips, dude.
And then I like became not a picky eater.
Alright, glad you guys like it.
You were like convinced. Oh,
Yeah.
My mom
No, I
says
actually
I'm
kind of remember that because like it was like, oh, you want to eat your broccoli, but you're not a picky eater. And I'm like, yeah, I'm not a picky eater.
Then I used to be a picky eater.
Oh,
What?
My mom tried her to not feed her. And she said whatever. And then
Sweet.
my mom did not feed her. And she
Bring a bowl to Catherine.
she became
I honestly think my sister would actually starve to death before she like
okay, so Chris.
Bag now.
Oh yeah.
It's privilege. Use it like a real spoon.
Finding out there.
It's so good. Thank you, Aaron.
You're welcome. Thank you for liking it.
I wish it was raining so we could justify being inside.
I know, right?
Is this your first time having pozole? Nice.
Griffin's been speechless. It must be good.
That's good flavor. Thick. A lot of chunks.
Yeah, I kind of ran out of broth. And I put way too much chicken in there.
That ain't a problem.
I know.
That's good.
Not a problem, Aaron.
I know, Jerry. Alright, Griff, I'm counting on you for something coming up.
And for my tongue.
Alright, I got the seal of approval. Okay, Griff, I'm counting on you.
Oh, pepper letter in.
Oh
All
my
right.
goodness.
Come eat.
I found some people.
Hey, what's happening?
How are you doing?
I'm good.
In the video 2. Friday, November 22nd, 2024. This is what I'm eating today. Mexican soup. Nice.
What's up,